Hi friends, I'm going to show you about a new feature in our jcps.me/help page. When you go there, if you click on I'm a JCPS employee, scroll down, you'll notice a new button called Inventory. And when you click on Inventory, you will see these two computers. So on the right, we have the ITAM, and on the left, we have Chromebook Reporting. So Chromebook Reporting is what is new, one of the things that is new. And when I click on Chromebook Reporting, if I go in and click here, so since I am registered with Camp Edwards, if I click on district-wide, I have the option to search for a Chromebook by asset tag or serial number. And when it comes up, it will actually show you the last place that the Chromebook was on the domain. So the school will come up here. It'll show you the user and even the date and time of when the device was used. So super helpful if we're looking for a lost device. That's the Chromebook inventory. Now for the inventory management ITAM, most of us know that you have to use an incognito window, but it's important that when you open up that incognito window, you go to jcps.me/help from here. If you try to copy that link over from the other website, it will not work. So I'm going to click on inventory. I'm going to click on inventory management. And notice that it asks for my login information. Now, one thing that we did discover is if you click on this little incognito button right here in the top right corner, notice how it says close incognito. Sometimes there are some, archived incognito logins, so it memorizes them. You need to click on close incognito if, for whatever reason, your login that was assigned to your school is not working. Thank you.